in progress.
Hi there, it's Lisa. Perhaps you've been feeling that you've been giving away too much of yourself or carrying someone else's burdens or their fears or perceptions. As energetic beings, we receive and transmit messages and energy constantly every day. It is no surprise that an imprint is left on us from others, or that we leave an imprint on someone else. Let us take the next few minutes to return the energy that we are holding for others and receive back our energy to replenish our container, to rebalance our energy levels, and return to a place of clarity, wholeness, and peace. Begin to let your body settle into a comfortable position, preferably sitting with your feet touching the ground and your spine tall. Allow your eyes to softly look down or close. And feel even the smallest muscles on your face begin to relax. Shoulders dropping away from ears. Belly soft. Hips settling into the support of the earth underneath you. Feel yourself fully supported, secure, and protected. Now invite the breath in peacefully through your nose and open the mouth to exhale slowly, steadily, and completely. Breathe in through the nose and out through the mouth. Allow the breath in the nose to be slightly quicker and the exhale through the mouth to become slower. Do that a few more times at your own pace. A quick and full breath in. Slow and steady breath out. Now allow the natural rhythm of your breath to return. Notice the sensation of receiving on the inhale and releasing on the exhale. Now with the inhale, begin to call back the energy that you may have inadvertently placed on others. or left behind in your interactions. With each exhale, sense the energy within you that may not be yours. The cord that may be existing that is tying you to someone else. Notice this residual energy pattern imprinted on you. With each inhale, call back your energy. And with each exhale, release the cords and return back with gentleness the energy that belongs to others. You may start to feel as you breathe the gaps and tears repairing. You may start to feel the plucking, the severing, and the gentle releasing of the energy of others. Breathe in and feel your wholeness returning. Breathe out and feel yourself creating space so that on the next inhale, you can fill with your own energy once more. Inhaling, returning your energy, filling you. Exhaling, dissolving with absolute love and kindness the energy that you return to others. Breathing in, feel the return of your energy. Breathing out, the release of that which is not yours. You need not identify to whom this energy belongs. Don't worry from whom you are calling your energy back. Simply engaging in the process, the free flowing process of inhaling as you call your energy back, releasing and returning energy with every exhale. As you are calling your energy back, perhaps you're feeling it come in through the crown of your head or your throat, heart, belly, or your roots. As you exhale and release the energy of others and the cords, perhaps you feel the releasing from the abdomen, the solar plexus, the chest, the eyes. Breathing in your energy back. Breathing out, releasing. Now, as you rebalance your energetic field, we will call in positivity. All negative energies that we came in contact with, that we have come in contact before, and that lie ahead of us. May they be transformed and transmuted as they come into our energy field, transformed and transmuted into a love that is sent back out into the universe. All negativity pointed towards our energy fields, may it be met with positivity, transmuted and transformed, and sent back out as love filled with positivity. Any negative energy that comes into my field is transmuted, transformed, and released back out into the universe as love. You're protected, surrounded with positivity, your energy field restored, the energy of others returned. Resilient, balanced, complete. Feel free to come back to this practice each evening or as often as you need to come back into balance. Thank you for joining me today. Peace. Shanti.